Good morning. I wanted to show you what's going on in this garden bed at Brayton Elementary. We've got some beets here. We plant these because Miss Lawson's favorite vegetable is beets, and they also love them at the Berkshire Food Project. You might notice that these leaves look a lot like the leaves of the Swiss chard that we picked in the other garden bed. And these are plant cousins. Swiss chard and beets are plant cousins. The Swiss chard doesn't make beets on the bottom, it just makes leaves. But beet plants actually make leaves, then they make beets. I'm going to move these leaves to the side and you might be able to see the beets growing in the soil. We're going to pick it. So the way that you pick it is you grab a hold of all the leaves that belong to that beet, you give it a nice wiggle, and then you can pull it. Take a look at that beautiful beet. And some of the leaves might be a little yucky, and you just pull those off. There might be a weed stuck in there, you can pull that off. But the Berkshire Food Project will wash this, and then they will use the leaves, maybe saute them up with some oil and some onions, and then they might use this in some soup. So there's our beet. I also want to show you our beautiful cucumbers. Come and see. The bees have been visiting these beautiful yellow flowers, and look at our beautiful cucumber. This cucumber has some spikes on it. This kind of cucumber comes with an anti-pest spike. If you're a little bug, those spikes would hurt your finger. It would hurt you, but they don't hurt my finger. Let me show you how we're going to pick that. We want to make sure that the Berkshire Food Project gets that. If we just pulled it, we would break the mama plant. So we want to hold on to the mama plant with one hand, hold on to the cucumber with the other, and twist the cucumber like a doorknob, and it'll come off. There's our cucumber. There's a second kind of cucumber that we're growing. If you look down here, this is a special cucumber called a lemon cucumber. Can you see it? It looks very different. This one's easier to pick. I just have to break the stem. But the lemon cucumber is actually, doesn't taste like a lemon. It just is round and yellow. And I don't know if you can tell. Can you see that it has bumps that go all around? When you slice it into slices, each slice looks like a pretty flower. So the Berkshire Food Project also loves these cucumbers because they make their salads look beautiful. So thank you for coming and checking out our garden today. See you later.